Want to use a key fob with your 1998 Chevy Silverado? It's easy to program one yourself. This process pairs the remote transmitter with your truck's receiver. Since it's an older model, the programming is straightforward and doesn't need any fancy apps or tools. This video will guide you through the process of setting up your key fob quickly and effectively. Enter the vehicle, close the door, and insert the key. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Cycle the ignition by turning it off, then back on within 10 seconds. Press and hold the driver's side door lock switch in the unlock position for 5 to 10 seconds until the door locks cycle, indicating learn mode. Within 30 seconds, press any button on your key fob twice. If programming multiple fobs, repeat step 5 for each, up to 4 fobs. Exit learn mode by turning the ignition off. If it doesn't work, check the fob battery, CR2032, should be 3 volts, or try again, ensuring each step is followed closely. If problems persist, consider that your car may have deeper electrical issues.